Hi guys, back again with another video. Now in this video we're going to install the Spigen Glaster Easy Fit tempered glass on the iPhone 13. So let's go ahead and start the video. Let's open the pack. So let's take this, clean it. Now remove from here. This. Now remove this film and it's done. Perfect. Okay, so you've seen how to actually install it. So the process is really easy because of the new tray system. You never have an alignment issue. All you have to make sure is that you clean the surface completely with the wet one first. So it's not water, it's actually spirit which will evaporate. After that, use the dry cloth. Now when you're wiping it with the dry cloth, there might be some residue which will remain. To remove that or any dust which is in the room which is going and sitting on the screen, to remove that you get those dust removal strips. So you carefully remove all the dust from there, and once it's completely clean, then go ahead and then just remove the film from the back of the tempered glass and place the tray on top. So it already shows top on top, and it shows which side is up, and then you just place it and press it down and you're done. So it's that easy now. Before you had to align a lot and try to install the tempered glass. Now no alignment issues, nothing, and I've already put it, and you can see there is no issues with it. You can see that even with a case it's perfectly fine. So this is case friendly, so you will not have any problems with the regular cases. Now if you want to see the same video in Hindi or Malayalam, I have two other channels. I'll be putting the link for that in the description too. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe with the like button and do comment, and I'll see you again with another video. Bye bye.